Hey guys, I'm Clark Checkets and welcome to this video where we're going to talk a little bit more about your Taranis QX7 and how to set up modes and models on it. So assuming you got your transmitter in front of you, the batteries are in and charged, we're going to go ahead and power it on. Powering it on, you're going to hold this button under here for about 3 seconds.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Once those 4 dots are there and you let go and you see OpenTX, you'll know that the radio is on. A couple things to mention while we're here. You'll see this battery right here. Right now on mine it's showing 8.7 volts. That's the battery status for your controller battery. There are some ways to get the battery voltage for your drone in your display for your controller, but know that that is specifically for your controller. There's also a couple of images down here on the side. These small boxes with 2 lines in them are your trims. So if I press these buttons here, I can change this trim, which is essentially like creating a constant
Trim
offset
center
for that stick. Same with these ones on the side, that would change a constant offset for pitch.
Trim center.
Same with throttle and yaw here. So we're just going to put them at center. That's going to be pretty much your standard. You won't really ever have to change them from that. There's also some images to show you where your sticks are at here. If I move the sticks around, you can see them change, and the center is obviously where the center image is here. There's also notches on the side of the sticks here to show you where a true center is. And there's also some information for your switches. So if you move your switches, you can see switch A, center, forward, and backwards. Now that we've kind of gone over some of the basics, we're going to go ahead and calibrate the sticks just to make sure that they're all good to go. So you go ahead and hold the center select button on your left hand until you see tools and page 1 of 7, and you'll press page to proceed through the pages until you get to page 6 out of 7, Stick Calibration. If you for some reason pass the page and you don't want to cycle through all the pages again, you can go back a page by holding down the page button. Once we're in the calibration, we're going to go ahead and select it using the silver select button, and it says press enter to start. So I'm going to go ahead and press the silver button again. So first it says set sticks to midpoint, enter when done. They are already at the midpoint. I checked using this hard tick here. This one has a spring, so it always stays at the center. So I'll go ahead and press done. Now it says moves the sticks and pots, which stands for potentiometers. And so you're going to just move them to all of their extents and just kind of give it a full range of movements. And then we'll go ahead and put them back at the center and move the potentiometers, which are these rolly wheels up here. Just move them all the way to the extremes. Then go ahead and put them roughly back at center again. And then says press enter when done. Go ahead and press enter and we're done. So we've calibrated our sticks. We're ready to go on to the next step. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know and have fun flying.